This is the Nutribullet Immersion Blender. Now, you can blend directly in your stovetop pot, bowl, or cup, making food prep fast and convenient. The compact and powerful 350-watt motor, combined with the 8-inch S-blade arm, is just right for blending a creamy soup from scratch to a nutrient-rich smoothie. 2 programmed speeds and the variable speed dial gives you even more control for perfect textures every time. Easily change to the twist-on whisk to take the work out of homemade whipped cream or even a fluffy omelet. The 20-ounce chopping bowl is ideal for lightning-fast, no-mess prep. The 30-ounce cup is perfect for measuring, blending, pouring, and storing. The Nutribullet Immersion Blender is easy to clean and small enough to store in a countertop drawer. Bring blending to the palm of your hand with the Nutribullet Immersion Blender.